I found this rare plant in the bush with a brown exterior and a red interior, full of tiny seeds. Unlike before, this plant is becoming rare, almost disappearing from the landscapes where our grandparents once found it easily. I don't know its name yet, but its uniqueness and beauty caught my attention. Nature hides so many stories, some fading, some waiting to be discovered. If you recognize this plant or you know its uses, please share your knowledge in the comment section.